Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrainingsystem.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. Today is Thursday, almost 7 p.m. And tomorrow is the NFP day, right? So NFP can make a big difference in the direction of everything. And gold is also doing something. So I just wanted to share with you guys. So let's get started. So this is the gold monthly chart you can see here, and this is the current chart, right? So this is what's basically happening. This is wave 3, 4, and wave 5 black count, or it could be wave 1 and 2, and then we are going into wave 3 right now. So either way, we have this big wave, this wave 5 or wave 3, whatever it is, black count. Then it is making 5 subwaves, right? So blue count here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then wave 5 is going to be ending here. And this wave 5 also have small waves, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this wave 4 of this wave 5 is underway for quite a while, right? So now we let me show you a few charts before what happened, right? This is the current chart, current monthly chart, but let me show you how I'm tracking this thing. So this is the chart I made in 26 October. This is a weekly chart, right? Saying that this is wave 3 ending. This, remember that wave blue count, wave 5 has subwaves. That is wave 1, 2, and that's 3. And we supposed to be falling into wave 4. And we did. So we drop here, and I made this is how we're going to be ending wave 4, completing wave 4. Then we're going to go up for B and then drop for C here, 2415 area. So far, what happened is that we went up, we drop here. What the heck happened? The chart's up and down. Okay, so we drop here, and then I made this diagram. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then this is what happened, right? So this big drop was wave A. So we're supposed to be going up for wave B and then coming down for C. So what happened? So we went up here, and then I made the chart that we're gonna drop here for this, and then what happened is that we came down here, close, and then we went up again. See that? It's coming down, and then what happened? It was to start making this. I said, okay, it's gonna go up again and then drop. And that was 7th December. So this chart, it went up like this, right? And then I made another chart that is gonna come down from there to there, right? So this was the last update I made on the gold, that we're gonna be dropping from this to this. So what it did is it came down here, and then it went up again and about to touch this screen. Let me show you the chart. But then again, I'm going to show you from the current chart that I've made, right? Including that what happened here so far and where we stand. So let's go take a look. Not this, let me see this one. So monthly chart was this as of today, 9th January. And this is what is happening in a weekly chart. Remember, I made A, B, C. So A is finished, B is almost finished, and we might be able to go down after the NFP probably for wave C, right? And then on a daily chart, I made a daily chart as well, which is showing, only this big wave 4, what is happening is this. So this is what's happening. This is wave 3, A, and then B, and you see this drop here. I said that we're going to go all the way down here, but we came down and we are going up, and we are very close to this TL. So TL, 61% is already hit, and 70% is just above the TL. So somewhere here, we're going to make the turn to the downside. Okay. We might be able to go and hit the TL and then drop. So watch out for that. And we should not be going above 2685 for this count to be valid, right? So we must stay below 2685. Rather, I would say 20, this high here, I forgot to type these, but this is like, I think it's like 70. So 2670, this high, right? Right now, as we close with 2669. So yeah, but still borderline, make the borderline 2635. So if we can stay below this or below the TL, hit the TL, and then we can start dropping easily. So this is the daily chart. Now a little bit more further down, we look at the 4-hour chart, which is like this. So almost the same thing, the daily chart, but it shows more SNR levels that you can use step by step, right? We're going up. So, like I said, that I forgot these two, but this is like I think it's 70, and then this is something 69 something. That's where we are now. So 2685 is this. We must stay below. We must stay below the tier. May go to touch, say hello to 78%, maybe, but very unlikely. So I'm expecting a turn from here, and that's this is 61%. If we can drop from there, here, right? So let's see what happens. So this is the current chart. This is the current situation as of today, 9th January. And the bottom line again, I could set 26.85, stay below, and we can drop. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get these videos about different things on time. You can take advantage of these setups. All right. Goodbye for now, and talk to you guys later.